Yo, what's going on today, guys? Today I'm hitting an arm focus chest and arms workout, and I'm all carved up today. I'm feeling really good to lift. So I'll be hitting my JM press and my preacher curls before I hit any chest movement like my incline press. So yeah, I'm feeling good. Let's just get right into it.
Michigan, that guy good. That player, man. You two here with you and your boy Ryan Poles getting that guy. That was a hell of a draft pick, dude.
Yeah, yes it was. There's like Johnson top. But like, I get that we've been talking about this all week.
On the wall can be extremely frustrating, especially for the job.
And I wonder if there's a little bit of a psyche thing with the Eagles. Yeah.
Is go to the experience of the game.
Bro, we finally progressed on that movement on incline. Got 105 for 8. I'll be moving up to 110. Like I said, once I move up to 115, when I get 110 for 8, I'll be switching to 4 to 6 rep range for this movement. Unless I feel otherwise, but yeah. Bro, I've been waiting to have a set like that. All my other sets, like I haven't had a grinder on incline press in so long. Like it's been a while. So I have a set like, I love when I end the set like that. This is gonna be a good workout. I'm only 4 sets in. But yeah, I'll check up with you guys in a little bit when I get the intercourse. Alright, like I said, check with you guys. Now I'm drinking the Intra carbs. You know, I'm about, wait, how many sets in am I? 6 sets. I'm at 6 sets in. But man, those Y razors, they take a lot out of you, bro. I'm not gonna lie. They seem like a small movement, but they're hard as shit. You know, I might start doing seated lat raises, maybe at a slightly higher incline, you know, for my main shoulder movement, or I might just do these, I don't know, because these feel really good, you know. I think we're just lighting the weight on those unilateral lat raises. I think I'm gonna do that, because that 20-pound dumbbell's a bit of an ego lift, if you guys saw the last video. But I gotta top off my glycogen a little bit, you know, especially since I'm cutting. You don't wanna let it get too low, you know, because as glycogen goes lower, your fucking training performance suffers more and more exponentially, you know, as the tank gets lower. So you wanna keep that at least somewhat replenished, you know, when you're cutting. It's never gonna be fully full like when you're bulking, but you know, you just gotta make an effort to keep yourself as energized as possible, as stably as possible. So yeah, I'm gonna get back into it now though. That was a bit unexpected there. Only got 4 reps on the second set. I wanted at least like 6. You know, 1 short of, you know, the first set like last time, but it's all good. We progressed on the first set, so I'm not too worried about it. But I'm about to do some hammer curls now. But I was thinking earlier, you know, maybe about adding like 1 to 2 sets of triceps into this lift. But you know, that would make it a little bit longer, and they might not be quality sets, you know. So I'm gonna just chill where I'm at, and if I see the tricep falling behind, then I'll just, you know, Probably just add in some tricep volume, take away a little bit of bicep volume, but yeah. Let's hit some hammer curls. Alright, I just finished up the main part of the lift. Now I'm going to move on to some traps and some forearms. And I'm going to finish it off with cardio. Then eat and then just kind of chill out, get some steps. But yeah. Alright guys, I just finished up doing traps and forearms. I'm going to get to some cardio on the incline tread now, but that was a great lift. You know, I feel like I say the same shit every single workout, but I mean, it's true. I mean, I usually have a pretty good lift, you know. It's not not too often where I'm like incredibly disappointed in my lift. But I'm about to just do my cardio, eat, get the rest of my steps in at 15,000 and just... Yeah, so far, I started the cut at 128.6 pounds. I'm at 129.4 because I had a salty dinner at Panera last night. But, you know, the day before, so yesterday, I was at 128.6. So I ended the first week at what I started. So, you know, nothing wrong with that. I had gotten down to like 127 point something. So, you know, I'm not terribly, you know, I know it's working. I'm looking like less watery. I'm definitely looking like tighter. It's not fat, it's just water retention going away. But I'm just gonna trust the process. I'll keep you guys updated, you know, from time to time, week by week with how I'm doing. But yeah, it's pretty good today. Hopefully I got legs tomorrow, so I'm gonna try and get this video out tomorrow or the next day, but you guys will see it when you see it. But yeah, legs tomorrow. Hopefully that one's good. I'm probably not gonna record that because I'm not gonna set the tripod up in the fucking commercial gym. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.